How to add existing domain in Godaddy. Already own a domain elsewhere but want to manage it on Godaddy? Here's how to bring it in. First, log into Godaddy and head to Domains. Then click Transfer Domain. Enter the domain you want to add and click Continue. Godaddy will ask for authorization code. Get this from your current registrar by unlocking the domain and requesting a transfer code. Paste that code in Godaddy, confirm the details and pay the transfer fee. Once approved, the domain will move into your Godaddy account within a few days. Before transferring, make sure your domain is not within 60 days of purchase or recent changes. These can delay or block the transfer. Ever switched registrars? Let me know your experience in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.